All right, so in this video, I want to implement these. Look, I've done a search already. I mean, so I want to do the sort first. So we'll sort the menu items. So that's what we want to do. We'll sort by name. So I'll have a button here called sort. By name. So we have a button here called sort by name, btn sort by name, btn sort name. All right. And when I click on this, I want to sort this by name. Now the algorithm for the sort is in our pseudocode SAC sheet. So we go into our SAC sheet. We should be able to find it in here. Request bill, sort by names here. So we'll grab that and we'll paste it here and we'll comment that out. All right. So now I just need to program this thing. Now, if you already have this in your practice SAC, you can copy and paste it and just modify it. I don't have it, so I'm just going to do it. So set the lowest point to 0. Well, I'll just right underneath, just to show. So that's waste space. Lowest position to 0. I'll just go dim. For I equals 0 to menu dot count -1. I want to do all of those things. No, I want to do all of these things because my next is here. Oh, there's two next. So there's a for loop within a for loop for this selection sort. So set lowest point to I. So lowest position to I. Do another for loop for j equals I to j less than menu dot count -1. Get rid of these i's. If menu if the menu item in j dot name is less than the menu item in lowest position dot name. So I'm comparing the names. Then I want to save the lowest point. Or the lowest position equals j. Okay. J. Why is j an issue? Alright, what do you want? As integer? Okay, fair enough. Okay, so next we want to do this part. If lowest position is not equal to it's not equal then to that doesn't make sense. If the lowest position is not equal to Alright, anyway, so let's have a look here. Lowest position 0, it goes through, and it will sort it. It will sort it. And then I need to swap the contents here. I'll ignore that for now. I'll just swap the contents. This should be done in this loop actually. Alright, so let's do the swap. So whatever's in menu item I want to chuck it into some temporary location because it's ready for the swap. Then I can now, since I've saved I can now replace it with menu item, menu lowest point. Right, and then now menu lowest point can now store what was in menu I, and that's how you do a swap. This is a three memory location swap. You can do a 4 memory location swap. Menu I, so that's the swap there. So there's something wrong with this code. I need to just go back to the pseudocode and just check it. There may be an error there. If lowest point is not equal to I, swap the contents. What's I? Oh, okay, we'll try that. Equal to I, then if. All right. So I'll just follow exactly the pseudocode and hope that it works. So after I do this, the menu should it should sort, but we need to refresh our data grid view. Set it to nothing, then set it back to the bind. This should be next I, this should be next J, just to make sure. Have I saved the right thing? All right, this is I+1. I'll just get rid of that. Just do the swap anyway. And let's try that. This shouldn't be that should be temp. Not sure if that will fix it. So I see an issue. It should be to menu. I don't know why I put that less than. That shouldn't be right. That's not the right pseudocode there. So we need to put a -1 there. Let's try again. And beef, avocado, chicken, pork, salmon, and seaweed. Beautiful. So took a bit of debugging because the original pseudocode wasn't correct, but our sort does work. Okay, so I'm just going to turn off the video now and go to the next video, and I'll finish the search.